द गर्ल्स गेट द फर्स्ट पीरियड एंड उनको इतना अभी नॉलेज ही नहीं चला क्या हो गया हमारे साथ है। स्कूल इसके बारे में ओपनली डिस्कस नहीं करेंगे, हाउ विल द चेंज कम?
Just imagine a small girl who got her periods in school,
Right.
and there is like blood all
It's
over.
a bizarre thing for her,
Exactly. She'll be
right?
so stressed out. She'll be like, oh my god, क्या हो गया?
So I have a house help. Her daughter is around 10-11. She got her periods. तो मैंने बोला उनको, दीदी go talk to your daughter, उनको समझाओ. And she said हम लोग ऐसी बात नहीं करते अपनी बेटियों के साथ. See, a daughter cannot communicate with her mom and vice versa. तो और कौन करेगा?
अब उसके अलावा कोई और भी करेगा तो उसको ऐसे लगेगा कितनी बड़ी चीज़ है कि कोई
right,
तीसरा बनता है
right,
मुझसे
right,
बात
right,
करने
right.
के लिए. Women are not respected for being a housewife, that now they have to come up saying that I want to be independent just because I want my husband or my brother or my father to respect me.
Right.
That I can also earn money, I should also be respected. So respect is like equal to earning money. मुझे आज भी याद है मेरे पहले पीरियड्स, माई फर्स्ट पीरियड्स. आई वॉज लिटरली फ्रीक्ड आउट. माई मॉम वॉज कंसोलिंग मी लाइक एनीथिंग. इन्हीं सब चीज़ों के बारे में बात करी हमने हमारे गेस्ट मिस हरप्रिया वालिया से. मिस हरप्रिया वालिया इज एन एक्सपीरियंस्ड HR प्रोफेशनल एंड अ वुमेन राइट्स एक्टिविस्ट. She often talks about women in startups, leadership challenges, and she has worked with women at grassroots levels, whether it is rural women or urban women. Welcome to PowerPod Season 2, where we talk unfiltered and raw. So, how do you feel coming here?
It's a privilege. I'm excited and I've heard a lot about your platform. I have read a lot and it's really exciting to be here.
Okay. Was there any specific incident or any specific situation when you got a feel that, okay, this is enough and now I need to step up and I need to step in something different?
See, when we are, they say when we stay in our house, we always feel as everything is comfortable here. But when we step out, then we realize कि there are a lot of problems outside.
Exactly.
ठीक है, when I really stepped out, then I saw कि बहुत problems है. There are two Indias. The one we are living in, it's urban India. We live in tier 1 cities, and ठीक है, women are equal, almost equal here. But when we go to the rural areas, tier 2, tier 3 cities, we think that I just saw that women don't even have basic rights to education. Girls are made to drop out of their schools, their colleges, and they're married off. And it really shook me off. ये चीज़ें हम लोग टीवी पे मूवीज में देखते थे, but it actually happened in real life also.
In 2025.
Right, exactly. On one hand, women are going to the moon, they're going to the space, and on one hand, they're not even given the basic rights.
Right. Can you share some of the stories? What the barriers they were actually facing?
Right. So coming to the corporate terms, it's very evident that women have to give up on their jobs. They have to prioritize their personal life, their families. They have to be the homemakers.
Yeah,
right. And
they're expected to.
Right. Because the ultimate achievement of a woman is to get married.
Exactly.
Right. So this success is determined ki are you a good housewife or you're a good mother. See, that's a major challenge, coming to the corporate sector. And if we talked about the rural areas, there are many things. Women are not even, they don't have access to basic hygiene even. They don't know about menstruation, they don't have basic education about that. And they're not allowed to step out of their homes. They do all the household chores even from the very young age. They don't even go to school. They are, sent off as house helps to different areas.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just for earning money.
Right, just for earning money and supporting their families.
Okay. Have you seen that ad? एक ad आता था ना अक्षय कुमार वाला. I think एक मूवी भी थी पैडमैन का.
Right.
तो ऐसा कुछ moment you actually felt when you were there, या
right.
या you got to feel कि लोगों को basic women को basic pads के बारे में या इतना भी नहीं knowledge है.
Exactly, right.
ऐसा है
because I have seen कि schools में भी education दी ही नहीं जाती. That women get their first period and the girls get their first period and उनको इतना अभी knowledge ही नहीं चला क्या हो गया हमारे साथ है. And
they don't know priorly.
Right.
Okay.
और it's still a taboo कि इस चीज़ के बारे में नहीं बात करनी. ठीक है, घर पे होता है ऐसा कि नहीं ये बात पे अपने ब्रदर्स के साथ, फादर के साथ नहीं ये डिस्कस करना, इट्स अ टैबू, लाइक इट्स इन अ कल्चर की ये बात खुल के नहीं करनी है. एंड वुमेन डू नॉट हैव एक्सेस टू प्रॉपर सैनिटरी प्रोडक्ट्स, दे डोंट. और see then there are lot of problems they face in the around their health because of this only.
Right, using dirty clothes.
Exactly,
and all that
right,
stuff.
yeah.
So do you think that people, are they even thinking about all these things, that this is even an issue, or it is like सब चलता ही जा रहा है, चलो ठीक है जैसा चल रहा है.
See,
what's the mentality behind it?
इट्स लाइक अभी भी टैबू है, बहुत टाइम से ये कल्चर में चलता आ रहा है कि सी हम भी व्हेन वी वर किड्स इट वाज लाइक व्हेन वी यूज्ड टू गो टू अ केमिस्ट शॉप, हमें जब पैड्स देते थे यूज्ड टू रैप इट अप इन अ ब्लैक पॉलिथिन, राइट. कभी भी हमें ऐसे पकड़ाते नहीं थे. सो आई विल टेल यू अ स्टोरी. आई जस्ट विजिटेड लाइक अमृतसर लास्ट मंथ. ओके, सो आई हैड टू गो टू अ केमिस्ट शॉप टू गेट माई सैनिटरी स्टफ, एंड द केमिस्ट देयर वाज कि he called some female staff there and then she gave it to me. मतलब वो बंदे ने वो खुद से नहीं दिया, उसने मेरे से बात भी नहीं की. और उस फीमेल she just bought a black bag, उसने मैम इसमें डाल लो और अब चले जाओ लेके. मतलब इट्स लाइक कैसे कोई शेम वाली चीज़ होती है, कुछ नेचुरल प्रोसेस है ही नहीं, ऐसी चीज़ें हो रही हैं.
एक ऐसे पिक्चर जैसे कोई गैंगस्टर मूवी चल रही हो और वो इलीगली बंदूक,
राइट, ऐसे कि हम ड्रग्स मांग रहे हैं हमसे शायद.
सही में
एग्जैक्टली, इट्स अ सैनिटरी पैड. आई जस्ट केम आउट ऑफ द शॉप एंड आई वाज टेलिंग माय मॉम कि मैंने ऐसा क्या मांग लिया कि लोग ऐसे कर रहे हैं.
एवरीबॉडी यूजेस इट.
राइट. वही सेम चीज़ की अगर बात ही नहीं करोगे तो हाउ विल थिंग्स बिकम नॉर्मल. यू हैव टू टॉक इट आउट. ठीक है, मतलब देयर आर मेनी NGOs, सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स इज वर्किंग ऑन इट. एजुकेशन दी जा रही है, देयर मेनी मूवीज विच आर मेड अराउंड दिस. बट अगर बिल्कुल बेसिक लेवल पे अपने बच्चों से पेरेंट्स कम्युनिकेट नहीं करेंगे, स्कूल इसके बारे में ओपनली डिस्कस नहीं करेंगे, हाउ विल द चेंज कम.
एग्जैक्टली,
Right.
राइट. एंड चलो स्कूल्स तो फिर भी इट्स लाइक सेकेंडरी.
Right.
मदर्स शुड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टॉक एंड
Right.
एटलीस्ट टेल देम कि बेटा एट दिस एज ऐसा होता है,
Right.
इट इज वेरी नॉर्मल, यू
Right.
डोंट हैव टू स्ट्रेस आउट थिंग्स.
Definitely.
बिकॉज इफ जस्ट इमेजिन अ स्मॉल गर्ल हु गॉट हर पीरियड्स इन स्कूल,
Right.
and there is like blood all
It's a
over.
bizarre thing for her,
Exactly. She'll be
right.
so stressed out. She'll be like, oh my god, क्या हो गया? Have you seen that ad कि तुझे तो कोई बीमारी हो गई है
Exactly,
शायद, वो वाली?
right. See, when we talk about period leaves even, तो there are many women who say कि period leaves क्यों होनी चाहिए, sick ले लो. Is getting your periods an illness? It's not.
Exactly.
Right. It's a choice.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's not an illness. इसको एक taboo, कोई गंदी चीज़ illness को क्यों माना जा रहा है इस चीज़ को? So I have a house help. Her daughter is around 10-11. She got her periods. तो मैंने बोला उनको, दीदी गो टॉक टू योर डॉटर, उनको समझाओ. एंड शी सेड हम लोग ऐसी बात नहीं करती अपनी बेटियों के साथ. सी अ डॉटर कैन नॉट कम्युनिकेट विद हर मॉम एंड वाइस वर्सा. या तो और कौन करेगा?
सीरियसली
Right.
कौन करेगा भाई उसको भी, क्योंकि अब मॉम ही शी इज नॉट एबल टू टॉक टू हर चाइल्ड. अब उसके अलावा कोई और भी करेगा मॉम के अलावा, तो उसको ऐसे लगेगा कितनी बड़ी चीज है कि कोई तीसरा बनता है मुझसे बात करने के लिए.
वही. And it's a very fragile age. You don't have any friends. You have any friends that are not very educated, right? वो group of girlfriends होता है. The knowledge you get is not appropriate. Incomplete knowledge, right?
वही, मुझे वहाँ से ये पता चला था.
Right. हाँ, ऐसा होता है.
अच्छा, ऐसा
भी होता है. Right.
Seriously, right. So, were there any? I mean, are there a set of social norms which you feel, who are keeping women, or they are dragging women down or holding women back, something like that, which you think should be dismantled?
Right. So it's right from the time a daughter is born. Okay, तब उसको कहते हैं कि there are boundaries set up for a daughter. कि इस boundaries को आपने cross नहीं करना. Right? You have to dress up this way. You don't have to smile too much. You don't have to talk too much. Right? Be in your limits. We always
Be like
told,
a girl.
Yeah, be like a girl. Right? Even like when we are born, हमें भी consciousness भी gain नहीं करते. There are certain things which are taught to us. हमारी कॉन्शियस में वो चीज़ें डाल दी जाती हैं कि लड़का ऐसा होगा, लड़की ऐसी होगी. सो राइट फ्रॉम दैट टाइम बहुत चीज़ें ऐसी हैं. एंड फॉर द गर्ल यू कैन सी हमारे पेरेंट्स ये करते हैं, बेटी है तो स्टार्टिंग से पैसा जोड़ना शुरू कर दो, कल को इसकी शादी करनी है, बिकॉज दैट्स द अल्टीमेट गोल. राइट, कि हर चीज़ करनी है, हर चीज़ में कंटेक्स्ट में बेटा शादी करनी है, बेटा शादी करनी है, दैट्स द गोल. राइट, हम बोलते हैं हम बहुत एम्पावर कर दिया लड़कियों को, but the ground reality is still the same.
Exactly, right.
Right.
Seriously, because internally women वैसी ही हैं.
उनको कंडीशन वैसे ही किया गया है.
Exactly.
राइट. एंड सी अगर मैं लीडरशिप रोल्स में भी देखती हूँ, इवन इफ द women are earning more than their husbands, they have to give up on their jobs. They have to deprioritize their career.
Exactly, right.
They actually to be homemakers. ठीक है, उनका जो करियर है वो सेकेंडरी है, बट मेन काम आपका है, आपको घर संभालना है, बच्चे संभालने हैं.
Okay, Harpriya. So I also had an episode shoot with a colleague, Gargi, and we were talking about that how some things are so instilled in us since childhood, that the cleaning process, the organization, and the emotional support, and empathy, these are the things which are so expected from women, and these are the things that only a woman should do.
Right.
So what are your views regarding these?
See, there are certain things which are like deep rooted, inculcated in women, like emotions, empathy, like you spoke about.
Yeah.
कि ये काम तो ऐसा है कि ये वुमेन ही करेंगी, लाइक टेकिंग केयर ऑफ देयर हाउस, डूइंग द हाउस होल्ड चोर्स, एवरीथिंग वो बचपन से लड़कियां ही करती आ रही हैं, उनको पता है. लाइक इफ यू हैव अ ब्रदर एट होम, वो नहीं काम करेगा, ही वोंट गो टू द किचन एंड कुक हिज मील्स, बट एज अ गर्ल चाइल्ड वो हम खुद से करते हैं क्योंकि हमारी कंडीशनिंग ही ऐसी हुई हुई है.
Right. Seriously. अच्छा, डैडी आए हैं, चलो ठीक है, इतनी चीज़ें समझ आती, डैडी थक के आए हैं, पानी देना है, ये करना है, बट इफ somebody is not even able to do it when nobody is there at home, तो वो issue है.
Right, definitely.
Then it becomes an issue. अच्छा, तुम घर पे नहीं थी, मेरे को कोई भी सामान ढंग से नहीं मिला, ठीक से नहीं मिला, I was not able to find anything.
Exactly.
भाई तुम भी उतने ही टाइम से रह रहे हो उस घर में, how come you don't know?
Right, exactly. Women are now doing their jobs even, और घर पे भी काम कर रही हैं.
Obviously.
और it's not even valued.
Exactly, right.
वो जो घर का काम है वो तो ऐसे ही इन वेन ही जा रहा है, कुछ उसका आउटपुट नहीं है. क्योंकि वो डेडिकेटेडली करना ही है आपको.
Exactly. And it is so sad when you think about it that women are not respected for being a housewife, that now they have to come up saying that I want to be independent just because I want my husband or my brother or my father to respect me.
Right.
That I can also earn money, I should also be respected. So respect is like equal to earning money.
Right.
Now.
Because see, when we were younger, what we used to say कि हमारी mothers are housewives. अब when we grew up, there's new term homemaker.
Yeah.
Right? तब तो सिर्फ housewife ही होता था ना, my mother is a housewife. जब हम स्कूल में वो essays लिखते थे, we always used to say my mother is a housewife.
Yes,
right? But yeah, women do face challenges. अगर see, financially empowerment leads to a lot of things. It gives you a lot of dignity, respect at home and even in the society. वो इनके पास पैसा होगा, you can come across and put your what you feel, what you think, you put across your value system ahead.
So just tell me, what is one thing which you would like to say to a woman, like today's woman, 2025 में कोई woman होगी, तो one tip or one trick who is like maybe entering a workplace, or maybe who is married, or it's like 20-21 वाली age में.
Right.
So
it's for all the women irrespective of the age. It's like believe in yourself. It's a big thing. Okay. Empower yourself. Like it's not just financial empowerment, it's not just earning money, but emotional empowerment as well. Like shed off all the shame, all the embarrassment, all the fears. Yeah. Whatever you want, do it. Do not prioritize yourself. As women हम क्या करते हैं, दूसरों की needs को अपने से पहले रखते हैं कि हमारी family they want this. We put aside our needs and whatever we want to make others feel happy. But just stand up for yourself, and
the most important thing is don't forget what you actually want.
Exactly, right.
While taking care of others,
everything,
we actually forget.
Right, prioritize yourself.
Exactly.
Be aware of your identity. What you are, because when you are aware of your identity, you can come out and you can see a discrimination you are facing. अगर आपको खुद से ही नहीं पता होगा आप क्या हो, how important resource you are, तो आपको कैसे पता लगेगा discrimination हो रहा है आपके against? Only if you right, only if you're capable of identifying yourself, what all power you possess.
What is your worth?
Right.
Exactly.
तो how will you know कि मेरे साथ कुछ गलत हो रहा है?
Exactly. Then you'll know the boundaries also.
Right.
Then you'll know this is not what I expect.
Right.
And this is not what I deserve.
Right.
So what is the idea of feminism for you?
Okay, for me, feminism is like equality. You know, women are still at part to what rights and what, you know, everything a man gets. पहले उस equal level पे तो आए, उसके बाद हम feminism की बात करेंगे. Women are way behind than what, you know, men in our country get.
Yeah, very true. Yeah,
We're still living in like 70s or 80s as the rights of women we talk about.
You know, about that Thappad movie, did you see that movie?
Right, yeah, I did.
In that movie, it was shown that there was a happy living couple, and you know, the wife was also loving the husband. The husband used to also love his wife, but there was an incident जहाँ पे he slapped his wife, and then she asked for a divorce against that. There were two perspectives back then जब वो मूवी आई थी. There were a group of people who were telling एक थप्पड़ पे कौन डिवोर्स मांगता है, ऐसे तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स नहीं थप्पड़ मार देते तुझे, तेरे पापा
प्यार में थप्पड़ मार दिया,
तेरे पापा अगर थप्पड़ मार देते तो तुम थोड़ी चले जाते हो, you know. And then there was a group जो कि ऐसे बोल रहा था नहीं भाई फादर एंड हस्बैंड आर लाइक अलग अलग. ऑफ कोर्स वो मैरिज करके सारी चीज़ें छोड़ के आपके पास आई है. शी इज़ रिस्पेक्टिंग एवरी यू नो योर स्मॉल थिंग्स. तो और आप पूरी भरी पार्टी में उसको स्लैप कर रहे हो, तो दैट इज़ अ वेरी बैड थिंग.
एक ही थप्पड़ पड़ा है. बात ये है कि हाउ कैन यू हिट अ फीमेल?
जस्ट अ स्लैप, पर नहीं मार सकता.
If you are financially independent, you can do everything on your own. What you're looking for is in a partner is like a support system. You're equal. इसके लिए आपको life spend करनी है. थप्पड़ खाने के लिए शादी नहीं की है.
And in that movie also, she was not offended because उसने थप्पड़ मार दिया था, बल्कि वो बहुत बड़ी बात थी. चलो ठीक है, with you know, in front of her parents, in front of his parents, in front of पूरा इतना crowd जो
right,
exactly. But she was not that offended उस थप्पड़ से. She was more offended because अगर आपको याद होगी वो मूवी, उसका husband ना he was not acknowledging also his mistake. He was like यार मैं ऐसा था, ऐसा हो गया.
Like I spoke about it कि
he was like हो गया,
कोई नहीं, मैं मेरी ऐसा ही चलता रहा, ऐसा ही चलेगा. Right? तुम उस चीज को एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं कर रहे कि हम गलत हैं.
Exactly. Throughout the movie, he didn't even say a word sorry.
Right. Apologize. तो अगर तुम उस चीज को एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं कर रहे तो apologize कैसे करोगे ना? Acknowledgement ही नहीं है.
और मैं उस चीज में चलो बहुत ज़्यादा नेगेटिव भी नहीं सोच रही कि you know वो तो रिस्पेक्ट ही नहीं करता अपनी वाइफ को, लव भी नहीं करता. ही लव्ड हिज वाइफ, वो रिस्पेक्ट भी करता था, बट दैट थिंग वाज, मुझे ऐसा लगता है, इट इज़ माई परस्पेक्टिव, दैट थिंग वाज टू एम्बेरेस्ड. यू नो ही वॉज टू एम्बेरेस्ड उस चीज़ के लिए दैट ही डिडंट इवन एड्रेस उस अपनी वाइफ के सामने कि मुझसे गलती हो गई, आई एम सो सॉरी, वो चीज़ नहीं होनी चाहिए थी. ही वॉन्टेड टू you know run away,
right, fragile male ego.
Exactly, right.
That's a term कि
मैं कैसे उसके सामने बोल दूँ मेरी गलती हो गई.
हम तो ऐसे ही हैं.
Exactly.
फिर क्या, लड़कियां तो ऑब्जेक्ट हैं, कभी भी मार दो उनको.
वही यार, समझ ही जाओ ना, तुम इतने सालों से मेरे साथ रह रही हो, अब तो मुझे समझ ही जाओ.
Because I have seen women not in just rural sectors, even in urban India, जिनके घर पे domestic abuse हो रहा है, and they don't have the guts कि वो बाहर आके चीज़ के बारे में बात करें. Because then again society, बच्चों को कहाँ छोड़ेंगे, राइट? बच्चे कहाँ जाएंगे, इस एज में शादी तोड़ेंगे हम. दीज आर द थिंग्स. लेकिन सोसाइटी प्रेशर बहुत ज़्यादा है. पीपल सी देयर मैनी पीपल आर कमिंग अप एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस, बट कुछ ऐसे अभी भी बहुत बल्क में लोग हैं जिनके लिए बहुत बड़ा टैबू है.
आई वुड ऑल्सो लाइक टू मेंशन discrepancy of media also,
right?
You know, they are always showing you the extremes,
right?
उस जला के मार दिया, ऐसा कर दिया,
right.
उसको इतना
कुकर में उसके पार्ट्स बॉईल कर दिए, राइट?
ऐसा कर इतने एक्सट्रीम्स दिखाते हैं,
right.
कि व्हेन वुमेन डेली लाइफ में ऐसी चीजें फेस करती है ना, तो उनको लगता है हमारा
तो बहुत छोटी है, राइट? हमारी प्रॉब्लम्स बहुत छोटी हैं,
हमारा तो कुछ ही नहीं है, तो ठीक है फिर. ऐसे करके वो चलाए जा रहे हैं.
एग्जैक्टली. अब जैसे व्हेन वी सी मूवीज लाइक कबीर सिंह, एनिमल, ठीक है, तो उसमें वो बोलते हैं प्रीति को थप्पड़ मारता है वो, ठीक है, तो द कॉलेज गोइंग गर्ल्स थिंक यार प्यार में ही थप्पड़ मारा है, कितना सही बॉयफ्रेंड है हमारा, कितनी अफेक्शन शो कर रहा है हमें, राइट? एंड दे फ्लॉन्ट दिस थिंग यार कि उसने मेरे को थप्पड़ मारा, बट दे डोंट नो कि वो एक बाउंड्री क्रॉस हो रही है. इट्स अ बिग थिंग. ही इज चेकिंग योर फोन, वो आपकी हर मूवमेंट पे वो कर रहे, नजर रख रहा है. इट्स नॉट अ हेल्दी रिलेशनशिप.
एग्जैक्टली. वहाँ पे समझ जाना चाहिए दैट देयर आर ट्रस्ट इश्यूज,
राइट?
अगर ट्रस्ट ही नहीं है
तो हाउ कैन यू बिल्ड अ रिलेशनशिप, राइट?
Right, I truly agree. Yes, because I believe, you know, these things we have been talking about all those things throughout all these years.
Right.
Since 90s we are talking about कि women को ऐसा हमें करना चाहिए, हमें ऐसे करना चाहिए, and she is the first woman to do this.
Right.
She was the first one who took step around this. I believe like the idea of feminism for me is that if you are not able to normalize these things, if I tell you that think of a CEO in your mind,
Right.
and if you are thinking a male CEO,
Right.
then we need to make it normalize that female CEOs, female
Right.
entrepreneurs, female like business women and all these things should be so normalized. If somebody is saying एक company का CEO
It could be
नहीं
seen
आती है
like-
female
right,
दिमाग
right, because
में,
पिक्चराइज ही ऐसा किया गया, इट्स अ
Exactly,
मेल ओनली, लेकिन
exactly.
लीडरशिप रोल में वो मेल ही होगा, डिसीजन मेकिंग में है तो वो मेल ही होगा.
Seriously, and I think when all of those things are normalized and we are able to think of women that equal, respect wise
counterparts,
also,
right.
professionally also, personally also,
In every aspect.
exactly.
Right.
If we are not able to think women as a CEO, then we are not able to think somebody's husband as someone who is like cooking dinner
Right.
or
If-
serving.
Right. A woman can be a CEO, a husband can be a homemaker. It's
Exactly.
completely okay.
And nowadays I think they are also telling that so many divorces are happening, women
Right.
are not able to
Adjust
like
in the-
adjust with
right.
each other. So what I believe is, if husband is also able to leave his like this taboo that I'm a male, I am here to earn the money, and if female is also like, okay, I am the take care and I am the one who is going to serve you or something like that, leaving all those traditional things behind, they all need to come up and they all need to say, okay, मैं ये भी कर सकता हूँ, मैं ये भी
Right.
कर सकता हूँ, and मैं पैसे भी कमा सकता हूँ, मैं किचन में हेल्प भी कर सकता हूँ, जब मेरी वाइफ बीमार है तो मैं उसका ध्यान भी रख सकता हूँ,
Right.
अगर मेरी वाइफ नहीं है तो मैं बच्चों को स्कूल में भी भेज सकता हूँ,
Exactly.
रेडी करके उनका
Right.
लंच पैक कर सकता हूँ, ये सब चीज़ कर, बिकॉज माई फादर डिड इट ऑफ कोर्स.
Right.
My mother is working and she is a teacher, so she used to go by school bus उनकी, and that used to come 5:36 ऐसे, और हमें स्कूल जाना होता था by 7:38. तो my father he used to wake us up and then वो हमारा breakfast बनाते थे,
Right.
then वो lunch pack करते थे हमारा, and then he used to iron हमारे
Right.
clothes, हमारी uniform, because we were like so messy children ना, हमारा uniform नहीं धुला होता था, उसमें हम सुबह सुबह ऑटोमेटिक मशीन में डाल रहे हैं, फिर उसको
उसको
सुखा
spin
रहे
कर
हैं,
रहे हैं,
स्पिन
right,
कर रहे हैं,
right.
उसके बाद डैडी आयरन कर रहे हैं, उसको रेडी करके हमें भेज रहे हैं. इट वाज सो मेस्ड अप, बट आई लिटरली लव माय डैड, बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा लगता है इफ father is not spending time at home na, then he is not able to build up that relationship also
Right.
with their children. I have seen मेरे father अपना काम छोड़ के when they are like running around
Right.
for us and they are lunch pack कर रहे, हम लोग ऐसे थे, हम लोग lunch भूल जाते थे, हर रोज़ हम लोग lunch भूल जाते थे, and then he used to drive us, और वो कुछ बोलते भी नहीं थे. My father, he is like so so innocent and he is so calm. वो हमें lunch देने आते थे and he was like, Aisha beta, what is this?
I could very well relate to this because I am the elder daughter of my family. I have a younger brother, and in my home ऐसा गया कि मेरे को ज़्यादा freedom मिली है अपने भाई से.
Okay.
And my dad is so cool. My mom is a little bit strict. सब बोलते हैं ऐसा. My dad is super chill, super cool. I can talk about anything to him.
Yeah.
Right? कुछ भी हुआ, relationships, about any of your problems. I can. He's my go-to person. Okay. But when I stepped out of the world, outside world, तो मेरे को लगा कि सब घरों में ऐसा नहीं होता.
नहीं होता,
Right.
seriously,
ऐसे
right.
मतलब I know many relatives, many neighbors, वो बोलते थे मेरे पापा को कि इतनी freedom मत दो, बेटी है वो, उसको problem होगी, इतनी freedom मत दो. But ठीक है, they have given me some values कि ये अपनी boundaries हैं. You have to, even if you go out of the home at this time, you have to be safe. Right?
Exactly. Yes. Right.
कभी ये नहीं बोला अगर बाहर जाओगे तो कुछ गलत ही होगा. Right? It's not that. You have to take care of your safety. You have to know your limits. That's the thing.
Exactly, right, of course. And I believe, from parent perspective also, बचपन में तो चलो ठीक है, फिर भी थोड़ा सा टोक देते थे कि मत जाओ बेटा,
Right.
क्या ही करोगे
Right.
बेटा,
Because that's very fragile age.
Exactly. और फिर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि when you are you completed your school and then you're entering in college. Now it is the time when you actually have to leave home for, you know, college years.
Right.
Now you have to go somewhere. That is the age when a woman actually grows up.
Definitely.
मुझे ऐसा
You know, the set of friends you get,
exactly
the people you surround yourself with,
exactly yeah.
that what makes you what you are today.
The moment you leave your house and then you are living individually, independently at a place,
Right.
that is when you are actually
Yeah, and moreover
handling
parenting पे भी बहुत depend करता है, because even you have might be, you know, knowing some people जो certainly the males, ठीक है, उनमें ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं कि आज के टाइम में भी वो डिस्क्रिमिनेट करते हैं लड़का लड़की, ठीक है, तो लड़की तो ये काम नहीं कर पाएगी, बिकॉज उनकी अपब्रिंगिंग, उनको ये चीज़ें उनकी जनरेशन में, उनकी फैमिली में ये चीज़ें चलती आ रही हैं, एंड आर नॉट विलिंग टू चेंज, ठीक है, उनको बोलो कि वी लिविंग इन 2025, ठीक है, यू नो, गिव मी अ ब्रेक, डेवलप योर माइंड, है ना, कि कॉन्शियसली ग्रो, बट आर नॉट विलिंग टू, ठीक है, उनका ये कि हमारे घर पे तो ऐसा ही होता आ रहा है। दैट्स अ प्रॉब्लम इन द पेरेंटिंग, कि पेरेंट्स ने शुरू से उनको कंडीशन ही ऐसे किया है कि ये चीज़ ऐसी लड़की है वो वीक होएंगी,
yeah, some things are not doable for
राइट,
them.
हाँ,
They
द टफ
can't
जॉब्स,
even
हाँ, वो नहीं कर
handle
पाएंगी ये चीज़ें।
right, of course.
सो पेरेंटिंग प्लेज अ मेजर रोल, और लड़कों को ये चीज़ सिखाई ही, एम्पथी, कंपैशन, ये चीज़ सिखाई ही नहीं जाती, ठीक है, व्हेन दे डोंट गेट एक्सेस सच कन्वर्सेशंस एट होम, वो लोग कहाँ जाते हैं, उनके रिसोर्सेज क्या हैं, दे गो वॉच पॉर्न, क्या वो एंड्रू टेट को सुनते हैं, यूट्यूब वीडियोस देखते हैं, कमिंग बैक होम एल्विश यादव को वीडियोस देखते हैं, वो तो वो क्या सिखाता है, यही चीज़ें सिखा रहा है, यू नो, प्रोपेगेंडा, यू नो, you have to be alpha male, all
exactly.
that.
What is your perspective
Alpha male,
around
right?
alpha male now?
You know, alpha male क्या है, वो रोएगा नहीं, वो अपनी इमोशंस नहीं शो करेगा, ठीक
That
है,
is
you have
not
to
a
be strong.
human being then,
right,
if
you're
he's
not even
not
a human if you're not crying.
Exactly. And now it is like somebody झुकना नहीं है तो
Right, हाँ, झुकेगा नहीं,
पुष्पा
झुकेगा नहीं।
I would give credit to what's the male character's name? I forgot. Pushpa 2's. What's the name?
नहीं,
Allu Arjun.
Allu Arjun, right.
Yeah. Pushpa 2 I saw, and then the way he was, you know, I was totally impressed the way he was handling his wife.
Right, हाँ.
The way he was giving, you know, her attention.
Definitely.
And he was like, okay, तू जो कहेगी वो
हमें
तो
होगा ही.
होना ही है,
Right.
वो तो करना ही है. ऐसा क्यों? मेरी वाइफ ने बोला. And there were, I remember seeing there were people around him, and then they were like, जो कि, you know, पत्नी के पल्लू से बंधा रहता है, उसका कुछ नहीं होता है. Then he was like,
लड़की के पीछे भाग रहा है, राइट,
लड़की के पीछे.
You have to maintain that image ना कि मैं लड़का हूँ, लड़की के पीछे क्यों भागूंगा, मेरी तो masculinity कम हो जाएगी.
वही. And then he was like, I don't care.
Right.
I literally don't care. She's my wife.
She has left behind everything and come to settle with you. So you have to, you know, give all clarity. Definitely, right.
It's like we don't have, you know, single rules for everything. We can't expect men to always support wives also. We can't expect them to always support mothers also. All
Right.
of those things we can't say.
They know
It's like
fi-
situation.
Right,
Flexible,
right.
everything. What do you think about some, you know, like digital platforms or who are giving you a free space to come up and share your voice? How do you think that these platforms actually are helping in women empowerment, or, you know, like some
Yeah.
these kind of
So it
things?
is very important to have such platforms, because हम लोग, I'll tell you, there's a lot of power in numbers, and when you get such platforms, you have access to a larger community, a lot of people who hear you out.
Yeah.
है ना, बिकॉज अगर अब एक ही बंदा बोलेगा तो कुछ चेंज नहीं आएगा, बट इफ यू कलेक्टिवली कम टुगेदर एंड यू नो रेज अ वॉइस अगेंस्ट समथिंग, देयर इज डेफिनेटली गोना बी सम चेंज.
Exactly.
So that's why such platforms are very important.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
So we have actually come up with a platform. It's called Her Conversation. It is also a platform which is open to all, and we invite women, men, you know, like young individuals, somebody who has a lot of experience, all of those things at a single place where they can share their views around, you know, like women empowerment, where they can actually share their stories which they have experienced personally, or they've heard somewhere that they want, you know, to share, and all those things. So we have also come up with Her Conversation, and we
Absolutely
we,
amazing,
we
yeah.
think that it will be a good
It
initiative.
definitely definitely need such platforms. Yeah.
So there is actually someone who is eavesdropping since a long time. He's Aryan. He is the one who's managing our conversation. Hello, Aryan.
Hello.
He's literally listening like this the whole episode.
So, let me tell you something about her conversation. A community where everyone is free for coming up, writing about anything and everything. What makes it a good community? A good community is where you can come up with your ideas without the fear of being judged. So, her conversation is a safe space to say about anything and everything. That is all.
It is like, my favorite topic to talk about women empowerment, relationships,
Right.
how we can, improve all those things, and what are the barriers which women face, all of those things.
Right.
We also, as I told you, we also talked about this thing in our second episode.
Right.
So this is something which is like never ending.
Definitely.
We'll definitely do one more
Sure,
episode
sure.
in future
I'd
dedicated
love
to
to.
feminism
Right.
and all those things. So it's like my favorite topic. I can talk about this
Endlessly.
for
Yeah,
hours.
right. Yeah.
Seriously, yeah. So thank you so much for joining me
It's a
here
pleasure.
today.
I
And
love being here.
yeah, so how was it for you? How did you feel?
I love talking about all these things with you, and the conversation just went by. I didn't know it's been like an hour we are talking
Seriously,
here.
exactly,
Yeah,
yeah.
I
It's
just
an
loved
hour,
it.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just completely loved it.
Seriously, it was so smooth. and
Right.
were
We just
like-
went with the flow.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
went with the flow. It was super. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me here.